everybody, a couple of months ago I told you about my HTV Ront heat press machine, which by the way I have used almost every single day since I got it. I love this machine. I've made team t-shirts with it, birthday t-shirts, and a ton of Make Your Mark t-shirts too. Well, it's the holidays and I am working out my design for the Montano Family Holiday T-Shirt. And because I have a huge family, I am going to be making about 30 of these t-shirts. So this heat press machine is going to come in real handy. Now, if you're a DIYer or a small business and you need an awesome heat press machine and vinyl supplies regularly, you will be happy to know that HTV Ront is going to be having a Black Friday sale. That's right, you can get all of their products at a pretty deep discount. Amazon is having a Black Friday sale from November 21st through December 4th. The Auto Heat Press machine will be 20% off and the vinyls will be 20 to 25% off. Now you'll want to go to the HTVRONT website for the vinyls because this is the biggest sales event of their year, and on November 11th through the 24th you can get up to 30% off their vinyls and other products, and on November 25th through the 30th up to 50% off. But the heat press is not included in this sale. You'll want to go to Amazon for that. Now, if you're serious about this purchase, you can deposit $1 with HTV Ront and get a $10 voucher towards your next purchase. Just pay HTV Ront a $1 deposit from November 11th through the 24th and give them your email details. And soon enough, you will get a voucher for $10 in your inbox. And if you're feeling really lucky, they're also having a Black Friday lucky draw. So with any $69 one-time purchase, you are entered to win an Easy Press, a $30 lucky bag, a $15 voucher, a huge bundle. So if you're going to buy something and you're spending $69 or more, enter the contest. Make sure to check out HTV Ront's Black Friday sale going on now through November 30th. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description below for everything I talked about today. Also, don't forget your $10 voucher and to enter the Black Friday lucky draw. Happy holidays! This machine is super sturdy and has some very nice weight to it. Just plug it in and turn it on and it automatically starts to heat up. While it's heating up, the logo button will flash red, and when it's ready to go, it flashes green. If you want to increase or decrease the time, simply press the timer button and then press plus or minus on the right. If you want to increase or decrease the temperature, press the thermometer button and then the plus or minus button on the right. You can also program the machine so that it's always set to where you need it. Just press the center button below the display for custom settings. Now that we're at the right temperature, we're going to pull out the tray and give it a go. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description below for everything I talked about today. Also, don't forget your $10 voucher and to enter the Black Friday Lucky Draw. Happy holidays!